Okay, problem number 6. It says the area of a rectangular trampoline is 116 feet square. The length of the trampoline is 6 feet greater than the width of the trampoline. This situation can be represented by the equation. Okay, so it sounds really confusing, but at least they gave me an equation, right? So I know that I can type that in decimals. Okay, what is the width of the trampoline in feet? So we're looking for the width. So when we type it in decimals, we're going to be looking for the width, which is the W. You see right here, they gave you W. So that's like X. When I type it in decimals, notice what happens. Right, if I put W squared plus 6W minus 112, nothing shows up. That's because it gives me a little error right here. I need to change those to X's. If that ever happens, you can change the letters to X's because X will always work. Okay, so here it is. Let's zoom in because I want to see when it equals to 0. So I have 2, right? Those are my solutions. I have negative 14 and I have a positive 8. Now just know that when we're talking about distance, we cannot have negative distances. So it's always going to be the positive one. So let's write that down because distance is always positive. Positive. Okay. So when I looked at my graph, I had a negative 14 and I had a positive 8. So which one is the answer for your W? Okay, distance is always positive. So pick the one with the positive answer.